Hello everyone! Welcome back to another cooking challenge. I'm Chill, and as my friend Quinnan from last week has challenged me to make a recipe today, here I am. So, QV has made an appetizer, Quinnan has made a main dish. I'm thinking about, shall we make a dessert today? So, besides the popular candy fruits or sweet soups, avocado ice cream is one of the best treats here in Vietnam, especially in Đà Lạt. If you didn't happen to know that Đà Lạt has one of the best avocado ice cream ever, you should book a ticket to Đà Lạt and go there, try now. I'm just kidding, I know you guys can. So that's why we're here today making avocado ice cream. Shall we jump right into the recipe? You need actually 3 avocados, just like how V and I'm through in the challenge from weeks ago. 1 tablespoon of coconut cream, 150 ml of milk of choice, 1 cup of condensed milk, honey and syrup, because I'm trying to make this as vegan friendly as possible. Coconut ice cream and dried coconut flakes to enhance the bomb taste of this avocado-ish. And a view. I'm just kidding, this is optional. First, you're gonna cut the avocados in halves, then in chunks. Then you're gonna transfer them into a blender. Milk of choice going first, then coconut cream, and condensed milk, honey/syrup. Let on, start blending and go watch TV or do a ballet dance, but mine is not that strong, so I have to hold it and pretend that we're getting along together. Right, blender buddy? No, but safety first, guys, I'm just kidding. Watch your blender closely. Then you're gonna pour them goodness into a container and freeze it for 4 to 5 hours before serving. I prefer having unfrozen ice cream, so I'm gonna scoop them and try it now. A bunch of scoops later. Alright, then you're gonna put on the coconut ice cream or sorbet and the coconut flakes. Isn't it aesthetically pleasing? As far as I'm concerned, my description does not match with the whole Zen garden vibe here, so I'm gonna mute for a bit. Voila, then you have it. So now that you have known how to make avocado ice cream, it's your turn to try to make this and post on Facebook with the hashtags of... Looking forward to see your post soon. Good luck and goodbye!